The Latvian Ministry of Defense has taken a significant step in fortifying the nation's security by launching an ambitious research and development (R&D) program dedicated to counter-drone technologies. With an investment of €10 million, this initiative is designed to advance Latvia's defense capabilities and establish the country as a key player in independent and competitive defense solutions. The program is a crucial component of Latvia's broader strategy to enhance its short-range air defense systems and minimize dependence on foreign suppliers. Latvia's Defense Minister Andris Spruds underscored the critical role of these agreements in strengthening the country's ability to counter aerial threats, especially drones. The initiative will drive innovation in key areas such as automated drone interception, electronic warfare capabilities, and guided missile systems specifically developed for counter-drone operations. Through these advancements, Latvia is actively contributing to the European defense landscape by reducing reliance on external suppliers and fostering homegrown technological solutions. Unmanned aerial systems have become an integral part of modern warfare, serving various functions from reconnaissance and intelligence gathering to executing direct attacks. Recognizing the evolving nature of drone threats, Latvia's initiative is designed to ensure that its defense forces remain at the cutting edge of counter-drone technology. By continuously monitoring and adapting to these threats, Latvia aims to bolster its national security and provide effective countermeasures against hostile drones. To achieve its objectives, the Latvian Ministry of Defense has awarded R&D contracts to 3 major industry players: Origin Robotics, SAF Technica, and Frankenberg Technologies. These companies will spearhead the development of cutting-edge counter-drone technologies, including autonomous interception systems, advanced electronic warfare tools to disrupt drone communications, and guided missile solutions designed for neutralizing aerial threats. Each partner brings specialized expertise, ensuring a well-rounded approach to addressing drone warfare challenges. Additionally, a 4th project is in its final negotiation phase. This initiative aims to repurpose existing Latvian armed forces weapon systems for enhanced counter-drone operations. The anticipated collaboration with WMPS will further integrate Latvia's military assets into a more cohesive and adaptable defense strategy. The initiative is structured to encourage collaboration with additional partners, including academic institutions, NATO and EU member states, and other international organizations. By leveraging collective expertise and incorporating insights from global conflicts, such as the ongoing war in Ukraine, Latvia is positioning itself as a central force in European defense innovation. A key feature of this initiative is its flexible framework, allowing for rapid adjustments as new technologies emerge and security challenges evolve. This adaptability is essential in today's fast-paced technological landscape, ensuring that Latvia maintains a competitive edge in defense capabilities. The €10 million initiative is co-financed through a partnership between the Ministry of Defense and private industry players. The defense sector will cover 65% of the investment, with participating companies contributing the remaining 35%. This collaborative funding model not only optimizes resource allocation but also strengthens the synergy between the public and private sectors in achieving the program's strategic goals. Furthermore, the Ministry of Defense will retain rights to use the technologies developed under this initiative while granting industry partners the ability to commercialize these innovations globally. This approach enhances Latvia's position in the international defense technology market, enabling local advancements to be adopted by other nations. To ensure the swift and secure implementation of these projects, the Ministry of Defense will provide access to its infrastructure for testing and validation. This access will facilitate efficient development, integration, and deployment of counter-drone solutions while maintaining strict operational effectiveness standards. Utilizing state-owned testing facilities will also expedite the process, ensuring a faster turnaround from research to field deployment. Latvia's investment in counter-drone R&D marks a transformative step in national defense. By prioritizing advanced technology development and fostering strategic collaborations, the country is reinforcing its security while playing an active role in shaping Europe's independent defense capabilities. Beyond strengthening Latvia's military infrastructure, this initiative establishes the nation as a significant contributor to global counter-drone warfare. With international partnerships, a flexible innovation framework, and a commitment to technological excellence, Latvia is positioning itself at the forefront of modern defense solutions.